Reduce operating and capital expenses and make your network architecture more flexible with Virtualized RAN from Mavenir. Maintaining network architectures today is a monumental expense. Zoning, power consumption, backup power, and the sheer amount of hardware that requires time and manpower for maintenance continues to drive up costs. And even though a network is designed to support the flow of traffic, nearly half of it sits idle during the day, while the other half struggles during peak hours. But what if you could move network assets where you need them, when you need them? Better yet, what if you could pool resources within an open architecture and drive dynamic connectivity between control functions and radios? vRAN from Mavenir redefines the network architecture by virtualizing network functions in data centers instead of on-site. Interfaces between the data centers and the radio using O-RAN fronthaul allow the use of IP Ethernet transport, opening more possibilities for connectivity. Imagine a network running on secure, industry-standard computing engines with IP transport instead of expensive proprietary hardware. Imagine the cost savings and the possibilities. Instead of sending hundreds of workers out to manually upgrade a network with each new service deployment, vRAN enables scalable, agile, and simple software updates, saving operators up to 37% over a 5-year total cost of ownership, and computing resources can be shifted to the highest areas of data traffic virtually with resource sharing. For the cost of maintaining your current network architecture with closed-off proprietary hardware, vRAN enables software-defined services that speed up time to market and gets you 5G ready. That's how we're transforming mobile network economics. Reduce operating and capital expenses now and prepare your network for future 5G innovation with Virtualized RAN from Mavenir.